like to invite Senator Mia Atik. He's our very regular participant, very special guest, and he's always
Fazan would
coming
like
up
to
with.
speak. Fazan would like to speak or not? Fazan?
Yeah, he did say in the beginning, sir.
Okay, fine. I was not fine. Okay, it's okay.
Yeah. So I would like to.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I would like to call Senator Mia Atik.
Thank you very much, Iram. First of all, I'll appreciate and congratulate all the team of Sir Ammar Jafri and as well as Muhammad Ali Jinnah Sahab, and especially all team of this Friday for Future Pakistan, all international participants, especially Mr. Rob, Ingert, and as far as the topic of today is concerned, this climate change and ozone layer, and I must say one thing, that if we recall, once we were given the target for MDGs, in which our country's performance was very pathetic. We all know about it. But Alhamdulillah, because of the efforts of everybody, people started realizing today about the importance of SDG goals, and especially the targets which are given to us by all the donors, especially we can say the World Bank and IMF. Because as I have attended that meeting, it is so alarming for us if we don't perform. In another 2 to 3 years, there will be a lot of restrictions on us which we have to face. But on the other hand, it's really helping each other in a way that we are today at least coming up in the performance, and they are also agreeing on it. Now, as Ma'am Iram said, that we all are participating, and now the people at all level started realizing this thing, that we need to start something and stop this climate issue. As today Sir Ammar said, that where does we stand if we compare with our neighbors, especially China and Iran and India? What they are doing, what we are doing, it needs, my answer to it is, sir, as being an officer serving at the higher level, that we have to raise a voice at the national level as well. Where we were, where we are today, what is our contribution? So once we started saying this, definitely people will admire it. On the other hand, one good thing I'm going to share with you, that as we all say is that what next? Every webinar should have some conclusion, and we all should come up, at least whatever we talk, it's a collective vision, it's a collective move, and the outcome should be that we are agree on it, that we can't live without that. We have to stop. I admire the words of our young Beti Momina, what she said, that it would worst if we continue the same lifestyle. I think this tagline speaks a lot of message to everybody. On the other hand, sir, while going through, just I have closed down the window of this, the blocks of Zoom, and I consult my Chacha Google, and he told me one good news which I want to share with you. I have good relation with Chacha Google. He always helped me. And when I asked him, he said that the future plan for Pakistan is which they are working today, like our government is working. I also know about that. In that is monitoring of ozone profile over the country. This is the first thing. This is what I'm going to share, what actually our government, the sitting government, it is not because of Ammar Bhai that we are the part of the government or we are the allies, but this is the fact. Then second thing is, we are studying of atmospheric chemistry now. Then participation in the international intercomparison of Dobson spectrophotometer, ozone sonde. This is also a level in which they are monitoring something, and we have adopted that platform where we are doing it. Then we have developed biological system to monitor UV and B. The last thing is, we have developed climate models to predict the climate change over Pakistan. So these are the things, at least and we are doing it. These are being admired by the overall, the world level organizations. Then in the last, I'll appreciate the PowerPoint presentation of Ma'am Ingrid and Momina, and as well as we welcome this Aman Peer Bhai. You are with us. We all appreciate you are giving time, and also this Sayyid Ali Sahab. He's also with us, and Rizwan Jafar Shahid, he has joined us now, inshallah. But today we have a lot of time. I don't want to take more time. One thing in the last, I must say again, as our brother Rob is not here, that I am thankful to the all international organization who want to do something for our coming generation, for our nation. And we all should also at least come at that level where they feel something, that our response is positive, and we are doing also by joining hand with them, performing some at that level where we can give the better Pakistan to our coming generation. Thank you very much. I have talked a lot. Sir.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
sir. Thank you very much. Yes,
Thank you, sir.
we have Rizwan Jafar, so we won't let him go before you say. So, Rizwan, we almost close, but I like to request you
Rizwan, let me tell you. Normally, after chief guest, nobody speaks.
No, I'm not.
Taking permission from Senator Singh.
We are like family. We are like brothers.
Senator Saab, please give me permission to say a few words, just few words.
Rizwan is a good friend also. So
You are welcome, Rizwan. No problem.
you are allowed to speak, but please stop your vehicle first because you are moving a lot. Please speak something because you are also doing something necessary. Please.
Thank you very much, Amar Jafri Saab, and thank you, Senator Saab and